Students, today we're going to talk about how to invest in AI ETF. So there's a lot of AI companies. Instead to buy one company of these, there is an ETF, like an index for all of these AI companies, and you can buy that ETF, and that's it. That covers all the AI companies. So today we're going to work on how to buy an AI index or ETF, I should say. So investing in AI ETF using the Bollinger Band strategy. So here we have a lot of ETFs actually. We have this global X puts, those, this, that, this. And there is another one, there's UBS Global Innovators ETF. There is another one called SOXL. So there is a CO3 also. So there is a lot of AI ETF. How do we invest? First, we use a Bollinger Band. What is that, a Bollinger Band? Definition: Bollinger Band are a type of statistical chart characterizing the prices and volatility over time. There is a middle band, upper band, lower band. Let's say the price could be between lower band and upper band. And the purpose is to provide a relative definition of high and low prices. How to use Bollinger Band? I'm going to show that with Yahoo Finance, identifying the overbought, the oversold, and then from there you can make decision. And here are the practical application and example. Entry point, exit point. It helps you to Bollinger Band, when to enter, when to exit, and stop losses and case study. So we're going to use Yahoo Finance, and we're going to do, like, for example, AI. So here is the C3 AI. It's an ETF. There is SOXL in addition to what we have in what you just show. It's another one good. But let me use AI, this one, C3 AI, which is include a lot of companies, Planter, NVIDIA, AMD, and others. So we're going to go to advanced chart. And then in the advanced chart, what we want to go, we're going to go to indicator. An indicator, you have to go to Bollinger Band. And then you need to do year to date, for example. And let me explain what we have here. Good. So what we have here is upper bound here, lower bound. So the ETF in this case, C3 AI, the blue line is the price, the actual price of the ETF. Over here, this ETF is overbought, was too expensive. Over here, it's above this is oversold because it's above so there are two bands. Upper band is these are what the price can be, the maximum price can be. Lower band is this one is, what is it? And this dark, the dark straight line in the middle, this is the moving average. The blue line is the actual price of the ETF. For example, at this time, the price of ETF equal the moving average. The upper band is here, 39. The lower band here is 24. So the price can move between 24.81 and 36.13. In this point, it was oversold. The price of ETF was at 20 and was much below the lower band of this. So it was a good time to buy. And if you bought it here, you get all of that up. Here, it was way expensive. It's overbought. Here, oversold. Here is overbought. So in this time, you have to sell. So when I talk in the slides here, exit point, entry point, stop losses, case study. So what I mean here is here, exit point. Here, entry point, for example. Here you enter. Here you exit. So this is the ETF. So what's your homework? Your homework, choose any other ETF. For example, SOXL. So let's go to Yahoo Finance, make it from basics. You can go with the ETFs I offered here, like BOTZ or any ETF of your interest. Let's use this one, that's fine with me. BOT Global, this one. And then you go advanced chart again. And if you didn't have it, you go to indicator, Bollinger Band, and then you have it in 1 year, you can do it 2 years, you can do it 5 years. But year to date, 6 months, 1 year. So let's go with the 1 year. So I want you to say, well, this is the ETF. As of now, this ETF is below the moving average line here. You see this moving average? So that means a good time to buy. Every time it's below the moving average is good to buy. If it's very close to the oversold here is even definitely you should buy here. Here is above the moving average and above the upper band. Here is sold. So just choose any ETF, AI ETF, and decide when talk about it like here, overbought, oversold, and tell me as of today of your presentation whether you should buy, entry, or you should exit. In this case, you should entry because you're below the moving average and you're near the bottom line, lower band. Thank you so much, students. I hope you enjoy this strategic investing in AI ETF. This is a strategy how to invest. I hope you like this video. Your homework is to choose an ETF, AI ETF. I have a list. Choose from the list, or any other one is not on the list, and then replicate the Bollinger Band and show how you're gonna invest with ETF, AI ETF. Thank you.